Hello and welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the process of locating and managing islands in Kahootopia. Start by logging into your Kahoot account and click on the Kahootopia tab or locate your created islands on the homepage. From this point, you have the ability to modify the name of the island and the grade, or even delete it if you wish. Once you've selected an island, you can quickly return to the previous view by clicking on the map icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Please note that the number of islands you can create is determined by your current plan level. With Super Kahootopia, you have the opportunity to unlock access to up to 10 islands. You can find more information about Super Kahootopia in our description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your time exploring Kahootopia.